Sabi niya dito sa post niya dated, October 8, sabi niya dito, "Hindi lang si Romualdez, pati si Marcos dapat ikulong." Is it just to say this kind of public post being a congressman? And second, um, dahil representative siya ng DASMA sa Cavite, does it mean to say yung kanyang view, view din ng kanyang
It doesn't necessarily gano'n. Kasi
mhm,
again, ang constituents niya, may kanya-kanyang belief yan, may kanya-kanyang party na sinusuportahan yan, may kanya-kanyang mga political leanings na sinusuportahan yan. So, to say na his views is the views of his constituents is more on leaning towards false, right? Kasi I think wala namang gano'n sa kahit anong, distrito or, lugar, right? Na may, na state. He's the only one who can answer that, to be honest, right? Siya lang ang makakasagot niyan. We
yeah.
all we can do is assume or guess on what he's thinking on the time but that he said that.
And do you think po this kind of post, especially you're attacking the former speaker and
Mhm.
also which is the third in line of power sa ating constitution, kung ano mangyari sa presidente and also directly attacking the president, saying na hashtag people power, hashtag Marcos resign. Do you think this word is very important and it resonate to the masses?
Again, with regards to the media posts against, former congressman, what do you call it?
Congressman Kiko.
Uh Congressman Romualdez and PBBM,
Mhm,
it is it is a public criticism of a top leadership via social media.
mhm,
It shows shift toward populist, right? Confrontational shift politics, confrontational politics. While it resonates frustration, it also breaks traditional norms of elite
correct.
conflict resolution, escalating tension, publicly instead of internally. So the way he does it is he's using media, social media for the matter, um, to be a battlefield and
Mhm,
not just a platform, a movement against someone, di ba? That is sedition,
yeah,
if
'cause
I'm not mistaken. That is
yes,
sedition and that is
yeah.
blatant disrespect on the rule of law and the rule of the government in the election process, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi
Yeah,
you're
especially if
inciting
you're
eh.
especially if you're pushing a narrative that can harm someone dito sa
Hmm.
pinupunto mo sa social media. And I think another question I would like to ask you, no, would this be part of a person's freedom of speech
Again, there's a
or
thin line
it does not cover?
there's the thin line on freedom of speech and the legalities or criticism or blatant attack na. There's a
Mhm,
thin line eh. It's just a matter of you going on the gray area para hindi ka makasuhan. Yes, it is legal to say your expression, but then again, is it ethical or is it borders attacking the person, 'di ba? They can be the judge of that. Ordinary people cannot do the judgment on that, and I think we should leave that to the experts when it comes to is it uh, is it ano ba? Is it legal